translate function, but we're going to use sketch enter instead of drag. So keep in mind with BobCAD that when it is looking for information or wants you to do something, it's going to tell you down here in this at this lower bar down here below the screen. So let's keep an eye on that. And what we're going to do is go ahead and select translate. And I've got sketch enter mode selected. We'll just zero all this out for now. So let's say I want to take and I want to move this square over to here. I want to start it right here at this 7-inch point and move it over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a x dimension of 7, and then we're going to select the square. Remember to change select, we're going to hold shift and click. I'm going to hit the space bar. Okay, now let's look down here at the bottom of the screen. It says click a point or snap point to set the move from location. So BobCAD needs to know where we want to move from. I'm going to go ahead and pick that by rolling over. You remember in the previous video, we rolled over an entity and we press hold shift and left click, and it brings up BobCAD snap points. So I want to start from here. I want to basically move this point from here to here, 7 inches like we have set. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it moves that square 7 inches over. Now I can do the same thing basically by, let's say I want to move it now 7 inches up. In the Y, I can set this to 0. I can set this to 7. We can select our start points, and it moves it up. So we just moved from X. We move from here. We move 2 from this point to X0, Y7, which is this point right here. And that's basically moving things around using sketch enter. I think drag mode is a little more useful. Sketch enter can be handy if you want to snap an object to another object. For instance, if we draw another box. Let's draw another box here. We'll draw another box over there. Hit OK, cancel. Now let's say we want to take this box. And we want to snap this point here to this point. Well, we can do that using translate. So what we're going to do is we're going to set our start and end points, and we're going to use sketch enter. So let's go ahead and set everything to 0, and we're going to say pick and pick. We're going to pick our start point. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and pick our start point at right there. We're going to pick our end point right there, and it snaps that part. That start point to that end point. And that's basically all there is to translate using sketch enter. Play around with it, practice, and we'll see you in the next video.